To successfully install ceramic tiles, you must carefully plan ahead. First, let's see how to put up ceramic tiles on walls. Create your own wood guide, such as this one, to help you determine where each tile row will be placed. If the ceramic tiles are not perfectly square, build another guide according to the width of the tiles to determine their vertical position. Leave a 1/4 inch space between the ground and the guide. Make a mark where each tile row will be. Draw horizontal reference lines with a level for each row. This will make it possible to visualize the whole project in advance and make sure the tiles harmonize with the different elements in the room, such as windows, countertops, medicine cabinets, etc. If you need to cut 1 or 2 tile rows, place this row between the first and the third row, starting from the ground or from the ceiling. Use the guide to pinpoint the location of each tile on one of the horizontal reference lines. Then decide how the vertical rows will be put together. Now, draw the vertical reference lines. Use a latex-altered mortar to glue the ceramic tiles on the wall. The mortar must be applied with a notched trowel whose teeth have the same width as the tiles themselves. Apply a small quantity of mortar on the wall. Start on the second row from the ground. Prepare individual tiles, spreading adhesive on the back. Press the tiles in place by rocking them a bit and lining them up with reference lines. You can use finishing nails to temporarily keep the tiles in place. Make your way along each side in a pyramid type of fashion, moving towards the ceiling. If necessary, use plastic spacers between the tiles. The first row off the ground will be the last one to be completed. To make holes for piping, use a drill with the proper bit size. If you need to cut a whole row of tiles, take the measurements and cut the tiles immediately. To cut ceramic tiles, use a tile cutter. You can rent this tool from your local retailer or a rental center. Use a small hydraulic diamond-edged saw for peculiar or curved cuts. Once all the tiles are set, let the mortar dry for 24 hours. You are now ready to apply the grout. Spread out the grout on the joints with the rubber spatula. Press the grout firmly and completely into the joints. Don't apply mortar where dissimilar materials and around penetrations in the tiled surface. Use silicone caulk instead. It will resist to expanding movements.